Hi guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today we have a 2012 Jeep Wrangler Sports. So the job we have on this car, we have to change the coolant and we have to change the thermostat for this car and changing the engine coolant temperature sensor. An easy job guys. And please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Like that we keep showing this guy more tricks. So stay with me guys, we'll show you the tricks for how to change all this stuff. There we go guys, so we're here. So first thing guys we have to do, come into the driver's side and you have to come into this side here. You have to remove the fender, the plastic and cover its sides, and the sensor located itself and this way. Let me see. So pretty much the sensor located on this side. Stay with me guys, let me remove it first and see where it is located exactly. Stay with me guys. So guys, see the sensor is over here. See the exhaust, this is the cat, so it's the top, is this one here. So I had to apply it and remove the sensor and put a new one. So from the top you can see it. There we go, we'll unplug it right now. So guys, we're using number 19 wrench to open it.
I wish I had my ratchet wrench.
Yeah, pretty much there is no room.
Oh, this big ass tire.
Did you lose it? Huh?
I did. I got this
Far.
more.
Yeah, this is my friend Jamal, my mechanic. You can stay open it. Here it goes loose now. Here we go. Ooh, look at that guys. Really bad. Like all that. Yeah, it's really bad guys. Yeah, let's see the new one. How would you look? What's the new one? So let's see guys, what's the new one? It's over here. And we get the thermostat too, we gotta change the thermostat. Here's the new one. Sensor is different this one. This is oil to temperature sensor. So second thing now we're gonna do before we get the sensor, we're gonna get wrong parts. I'm waiting for the new parts, so we're gonna change the thermostat. First thing we have to do, removing the cold intake. The whole box you have to remove it. And the thermostat is in need of this. Okay guys, after we're removing the cold intake, we're using 10 millimeters with the sockets. And we open it, the thermostat. My homeboy, the car is so high. He's been sitting on the car. Damn. Yeah, we're using the clamp to open the hose.
Backwards, but
I need to get a pocket to catch the coolants. So already we have the place there.
there's water. That is. No good. Yeah, I think we're missing that.
There you go, you get the first screw. Put it in the safe place. And we gotta move the top one now. We gotta put it from there. There we go. Second one. Put it in the safe place. Okay, put it in the safe place like that when we're losing it. Okay guys, this is the old thermostat. It's come with a new housing. This is the old one. I'm gonna put the new one back now. Garbage.
Got a little sandpaper or something?
Here's the new one. You can get it from AutoZone. So before he puts the new one there, you have to clean the surface with the sandpaper.
Light sandpaper.
Light sandpaper, 100.
Out.
Go.
Could get better, but it's alright. It doesn't. You don't have to glue it. Just put it up.
Okay guys, we get the sensor. So let's put the sensor to two guys working on the same car. No room. Okay. Sensor size is like that.
I know.
Just push your hand all the way. Like that. I just use number 19. Just be careful, the exhaust is too hot. And let me get number 19. What is it?
I like.
Okay guys, we're gonna use number 19. Bezin, I'm okay. Number 19, on the right.
Not too tight, player. Just like another. box and take it out.
Okay guys, tight. Put the sensor back. There we go. Guys, it's in place now. Okay. Put the safety thing to it, so it's good. Guys, so now we clean the thermostat, the housing. So now we're gonna put the thermostat back to this place. So put the thermostat to this place. Okay, put the okay. It's on the place now. We gotta hold it. So you gotta put the belt for me.
Oh, I get it. I get it. No, I get it.
Give me the top one.
I'll tell you, it's easier for me. Oh, spin it.
Okay, you got the top one now. We're gonna get the bottom one.
That was it.
Okay, and now we're using the tighten good. Inside the second side. Now we hook up back to the coolant hose in place. So I make the video like that longer because I want to see people like see the video like step by step exactly with no missing anything. There we go. Everything kept in place. Everything to the place is good. So whatever is still left, now we're gonna put the cold intake to the place, and we're done.
Fill it up with coolant.
And fill up the coolants. What coolant gonna use? Which one? Blue, the yellow? What kind of coolant?
I don't know. Look at
Or the red? Whatever is required for a Jeep Wrangler.
And this has a bleeder valve.
Yeah, I know.
You have to, when you fill it, you open this up till it comes out. Close it.
Yeah. Okay.
And say no drugs.